1, 2020, SingPost issued a set of stamps featuring maps of early Singapore. Stamp face value first local featuring map titled Discripsao chorographica dos Estreitos de Sincapura e Sabbam. Anno 1604, chronological description of the Straits of Singapore and Sabbam, AD 1604, is a close-up version of the map placing the strategically important straits south of Singapore in the center stage. Comparing with the map of the Google map on the right, it is clear that Eredia got the shape of Singapore Island wrong. The places labeled on the coast of Singapore Island facing the east according to the map should instead be on the south side of the island. Stamped face value 70 cents featuring map title, Contrafactur des Scharmutz els der Hollender wieder die Portigesen in dem Flus Batusabar 1606. The subject of this map is a naval battle that happened on the 10th-11th of October 1603, off the coast of Changi Point, Singapore. It would probably be more instructive to understand the location as the mouth of the Johor River. This is the earliest known map that provides a close-up view of Singapore. The Google map on the right gives you an idea of the orientation and geographical location of what the debris map is depicting. Stamped face value 90 cents featuring map titled Maokun Map. Maokun Map, usually referred to in modern Chinese sources as Zhenghe's navigation map, is a set of navigation charts published in the Ming Dynasty military treatise Wu Beiji. The book was compiled by Mao Yuanyi in 1621 and published in 1628. The name of the map refers to his grandfather Mao Kun, from whose library the map is likely to have originated. The map is often regarded as a surviving document from the expeditions of Zheng He in addition to accounts written by Zheng's officers, such as Yin Ye Shenglin by Ma Huan, Xing Che Shenglin by Fei Xin, and Si Yang Fangu Oji by Gong Zhen. It is the earliest known Chinese map to give an adequate representation of southern Asia, Persia, Arabia and East Africa. Stamped face value 1 Singapore dollar and 40 cents featuring map titled Carte Redite des Detroit de Malacca, Singapore, et du Gouverneur, dressé de poste des cartes et plans de la marine. This is an early navigational map of the Strait of Malacca. It also shows the southern part of Malaysia, the island of Singapore and the eastern part of Sumatra. If you wish to explore more about the maps of early Singapore, you may visit National Library Singapore. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Photos and information credits to Wikipedia. National